Hello, welcome at Florensis. Today it's week 30 and I want to show you an update about our garden. Come on, I will show you. Yeah, the New Guinea from seeds, the Solarscape. New and heat and dry tolerance, and what a show of flowers. Yeah, the tree, the cabaret tree, really doubles, the new development by Florensis, and very easy to combine. And I have more highlights, so come on, we go in the garden. Yeah, what a nice look, the geranium blew me away. Long lasting with flowering and nice compact blue roses. Really outstanding favorite of mine. And come on, I show you more, because there's a lot to see. But Leia, little rock stars. At the pot it will be so compact, afterwards it can get big. Second year in a row, here in the border, little rock star. And here, Sedum, La Vie en Rose. Oh, I'm a little bit too far. Sedum La Vie en Rose, the variegated one. Nice, compact and a pinkish flower and variegated leaves. Verbena Bonnie, nice compact one. Where the normal Bonnierians is that high, Bonnie is this. Outstanding flowering. And new from seed, an improvement, Lakota, the gold one. Really gold orange color, Echinacea Lakota from seed. Come on, I will guide you to some more highlights. Yeah, here we are at the Gaudas, the Gaudis, in a lot of colors, in medium and compact, long-lasting flowering, white, pink, rose, red. And here, the Echinacea, the other one, the Lakota red. And here next to it, the Perovskaya, compact, blue set and blue steel, long-lasting flowering, from seed, the Perovskayas. And come on, I guide you to the container field. Yeah, the Delphinium Dignity from seeds, in more colors than only the blue one, the sky blue one and the rose one. Nice, compact. This is a little bit over the top, but already flowering week 24, so very equal from seed. And the rest of the field, of the container field, is preparing for our garden performance day. And here, look, the Aster Alpha series. I can promise you, in week 36, during the garden performance day, this will be fully in flowering. Our autumn asters, Aster Alpha. And I hope to see you at the garden performance day. See you, bye bye.